Hi everyone, Martin here from martinsmayhem.blogspot.com. I hope you are well. So today's card, we're using the Good Morning Magnolia. I know, but it's cute, it's adorable, I love it, you love it, and if you don't love it, you should. Okay, and we're making this adorable card using a colour that I don't really use very often, Bermuda Bay, and it's just a little something different. No colouring involved. I know some people don't like the thought of colouring, so this is something different and easily changed up so you can do it in so many different colours. So shall we get started? Let's move the stamp set out of the way. Move the cardstock over. So I'm starting with a piece of Whisper White and a card base of Whisper White, and that's just a standard C6 size. And then what I want to take, can you hear me rustling? It's my little pack that I've made ready, is a piece of Bermuda Bay. So this, as you can see, I've used for this card. I'm going to use the rest of it now. I'm going to grab my embossing buddy, run that over because we want a nice clear image. I'm going to stamp in Versamark because this is a sticky ink and therefore works a lot better. Ink up my stamp like so, and stamp my image down like so. So because it's quite a large stamp, apply a little bit of pressure and lift up. So because it is a large stamp as well, you kind of might struggle just to get the image properly covered. Luckily I can fit my piece of cardstock into my little pot, so I can just run that over like so and pop that away. I'm just gonna give it a quick blow like so, and then we're gonna heat set that from behind. Now, where's my tweezers? Ooh. BRB, I have got them. There we go. Tweezers, we are good to go, I think. How simple was that? And because I heated it from behind, I could see as it turned or melted even. So that is that. Super easy, super quick. We need to cut this out now, and luckily for us we have a die in which we can do this. So I'm just going to line this up, and as you can see I've already got pieces of just cheap washi tape already there, just so once I'm happy can pop that down. Let's move out the way for now and bring over our big shot like so, and ideally my plates where they might be. One, where's the other one? And here's my tattoo one. So I can lay that down like so, creating our sandwich and running that through. And if we just gently ease that away, the image should pop up. Perfect. Put the big shot away for another day. And there's that image. Bring our example. So our image is just going to be glued down straight onto our card base. Like so. Whichever way you like, it doesn't really matter as long as you're happy with it. And we're going to leave that now as so. And then we're going to bring our big shot in again, because I am using an embossing folder I know you'll love, and that's the tin tile one. It gives this amazing effect here. Isn't it cute? And we're going to be embossing some vellum, so even cuter, because let's face it, vellum is cute. And I've just done a 2-inch strip. And actually I ripped this first, so I'm just gonna rip haphazardly and then emboss it. The reason why I did that first is because if I ripped it afterwards and there's any unsupport, it might completely distort or damage it, making us having to redo it, which, let's face it, we don't want to do. Bringing in my other big shot, which has a tab 1 already taken out. I can slot that in and run that through. And the handles come off again. Really must screw that in. And then that can go away. And as you can see there, that is embossed and is looking super pretty. You have the raised side and then the indented side. I much prefer the indented side for this project. So have a look and see which one you prefer. And then all that's going to do is sit across our card like so. I'm going to do a small bit of adhesive there. Lay that down like so. You can try to add a little bit of adhesive onto the card because you can't particularly see it through, but if you look hard enough you probably can. So it's just something to be cautious of. You know what, I tidied up before this and I really shouldn't have, because I put everything away. Even I've just put everything away. It's not good. And it's so unlike me. So turning this round, you're going to want to kind of cut off any excess that you have, which I'm just doing with my paper snips. Careful with the vellum because obviously it doesn't have a lot of adhesive on it to hold it in place, so there might be a little bit of movement, but there you go. I've even just put the rubbish in the bin. This is crazy. See, I don't know what I'm doing. Clearly I don't feel well. So I've already gone ahead and pre-stamped the sentiment hello out of that stamp set onto a piece of basic black cardstock, and I stamped that in Versamark and heat set it in Whisper White, just as you saw me do with our big flower. And then I'm going to pop that down like so. And then with my take a pick tool and a scalpel, not scalpel, spatula end, I'm going to pick up some rhinestones just to finish this card off. And there you have today's project. I hope you enjoyed today's card. While you're here, why not pop into the description bar below, where a full list of the items used are available, as well as links to my online shop. While you're down there, like, comment and subscribe, and why not share to your social media channels so everybody can see how super fun and quick it is to make such a wonderful card. I'll see you around. Bye.